Hey everybody, welcome back my channel. So today we will talk about Ticket Tailor and its login page. But firstly, I want to give you information about Ticket Tailor. As you know, event management has evolved, and with the advent of online ticketing platforms, organizers now have powerful tools at their disposal. Ticket Tailor stands out as an excellent choice for those seeking a customizable and user-friendly solution. In this exploration, we delve into features of Ticket Tailor and provide insights into the seamless experience offered by its login page. So, Ticket Tailor empowers event organizers with the ability to create a tailored experience for their attendees. From event pages to ticket design, users have complete control over the branding elements, ensuring a cohesive and professional look for their events. One of the standout features of Ticket Tailor is its flexibility in ticketing options. Organizers can create various ticket types, including early bird discounts, group rates, and VIP packages. This versatility caters to wide a range of events from small and gatherings to large conferences. Ticket Tailor also provides a real-time analytics, enabling organizers to monitor ticket sales, track revenue, and gauge the success of their marketing efforts. These insights empower data driving decision making for future events. And it has easy integration. The platform seamlessly integrates with popular payment gateways, ensuring a very smooth and secure transaction process. This includes support for major credit cards and other payment methods, providing convenience for both organizers and attendees. Okay, let's talk about the Ticket Tailor login page. As you see, I am on this login page now, and the Ticket Tailor login page welcomes users with a clean and intuitive interface. The login process is straightforward, requiring only a valid email address and password. This simplicity ensures a quick and hassle-free entry for organizers. And also there is a two-factor authentication, as you see. Security is a top priority for Ticket Tailor. The login page incorporates two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection to user accounts. This feature enhances the platform's overall security posture, safeguarding sensitive event and payment information. And there is also password recovery options, as you see. In the event of an forgotten password, Ticket Tailor's login page offers a convenient password recovery options. Users can reset their passwords via email, ensuring a secure and accessible method for regaining account access. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you, bye.